Let me open my Google Chrome, Google Docs. Today we are discussing. Yesterday we have taken one scenario, right?
Mm.
Um, Amazon search. We put today's date. Okay, if we go into the Tosca, yesterday we have we have scanned day before yesterday scanned one process, right?
Yes.
Search stuff.
Yes.
That example only.
Okay.
Like that example, today I will take different scenario.
Okay.
Let me open the multi-user. In Amazon only we practice. This one, this search part we have practiced now.
Just a minute. Yes.
Yeah. So like this today, if you open this, if you open Chrome,
Okay.
if you go to Amazon, I'm searching here on mobile phones, mobile, or simply directly if you type iPhone. iPhone and results of iPhone. Apple iPhone. Okay. My results of Apple iPhone. All categories. iPhone. Sorry.
Okay.
We select all, and in that Apple iPhone,
Okay.
here search is coming 1 to 16 of over 60,000 results per Apple iPhone.
This
So
is
those results.
yes.
Now this is static or dynamic. It's like each and every time if you search new thing, it will change or it will just take on like that one.
Will change.
Yeah. Yesterday we have done for static, now today we'll try for this thing. Dynamic
Oh.
value.
Okay.
So yesterday we are discussing like different properties, no?
Yes.
So identification by properties. Like properties by default. By default it will go. Technical properties. Technical properties by default it will come. Okay.
Okay.
And after that identifying parent properties. Next, identify by anchor. Identify by image. to identify by index. These are the five different properties.
Okay.
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 Now, before let's go here in modules. Select the Amazon. Once we log on, to update all. Check out. Right click. Scan. Is it before that we have to select the application in the browser. Amazon, right click, scan application. And it's loading. If you see here in this scanning window, let's scan.
Mhm.
There are like three types of views. Three. One is basic. It will become a little bit smaller
Okay.
because in order to see the backside of application,
Okay.
this window will become smaller.
Okay.
If we click on this and again click on advanced,
Screen.
it will become to normal.
Mhm.
Again, if we click on basic, it will become small window.
Okay.
If you want again get the previous statements,
Excellent.
expand this advanced and again click on this window button.
Okay.
And another one is condensed view. It will be hidden.
Okay.
It will be hidden. And you can scan it and then again you can get back. These are the different types of views.
Okay.
Advanced view, condensed view, basic view.
Okay.
Finish screen means suppose we are scanning this thing. Suppose we scan something, for example this one, unfinished screen. The model got saved. Again, I'm scanning again one more time. Okay, multiple models we can save at a time. Single model we cannot scan it. We can select the properties, but we cannot scan multiple models at a time. One module is saved, then only we can scan the remaining one.
Okay.
So that helps with the help of finish screen. Next, highlight selection. Suppose I'm selecting this. Now I'm selecting this. It's not worrying. Results for Apple iPhone. Only div only coming. Okay. Like this. You select this one
Okay.
and select on screen, uncheck. Let me save this before that. Save, and it will save into the modules.
Okay.
Yeah, got saved now. Here you can see. Okay, now I'm unchecking the select on screen. Whether we have selected the right one or not, here highlight selection is there. By checking on this, it will select the highlight selection. Right. Again, if you want to scan it, whether we have selected the correct one or not, the highlight screen will there.
Okay.
Just whatever we scan, just select on this and highlight selection. It will be highlighted. Here identify by properties, that way different identification properties. By default, properties will be selected. Properties means as I said,
Yeah.
representation, technical and transition. Mostly we'll be using technical properties.
Okay.
Technical is not working, we'll go with representation properties.
Okay.
But we'll not go with transition because it is the dynamically it will change the values. Okay, so our duty is to first, while scanning only, we have to be very carefully we have to scan because after working today it may be not working, but after few days or some releases will come.
Okay.
Then the control, if any control property change, then there is a chance of our test cases may fail.
Okay.
Again, we have to rescan and undo all these things. So instead, initially only we have to check which is the which one we have to select for scanning.
Okay.
Make sure dynamically things which are changing we have to be very careful. For this one, 1 plus 16, 67, this will change. So that's the reason we have to be while scanning only. If you work hard, then the rest of the time it will be easy only. You can manage. So these are the different identification properties like anchor, image, index. So self-healing properties also other type of properties where if you select self-healing, there are other controls. I mean, some controls got selected. Associate label got selected. ID got selected. Class name got selected. But the thing is, it is not. These self-healing properties also sometimes it works, sometimes may not. Why? Because here if you say one thing, see here, no label associated, it got selected. Class name it got selected, which is blank. ID it got selected, which is blank. Okay. Okay, so like now I'm checking the self-healing property. Inner text is there, so as our property is dynamically changing, so inner text also will not work. So we have to look for some other element, some other property that we'll see in the future. That next is filter item. Suppose I want to select. If I put in all the properties will be coming. Associated element properties will be coming. They get div everything. Whatever is there in this application like span, student, all these things, buttons, everything is visible. If we keep like this, normally by default it will be like this. It will be like this coming. To expand more, then inner buttons also will be coming. Okay. Suppose this is Suppose in usually this application while developing by developers, they will develop with some code, right?
Yes.
So there will be a lot of code here.
Yes.
So this code will be written by the developers. See, let me 1 second. Just in the window where it will just see here. There will be a lot of code written here. Outside. So the same code is present here in task also. Set scan. Now filter. For example, whatever the selected hours is a div element like this. Dotted square is there, that means div. If you want to select only particular type of elements, just select filter and here control types. Different control types are there here. Okay, button, checkbox, combo box, like that. Container. These all will be there. Now I will do it all and we'll discuss this because we have to identify in real time which is what that we'll see. First one I'll select button. Whatever the buttons are there, it is getting selected here. Now let me select snipping. Go to pane. This button. Button. Let me make it bigger. We need to somewhere 20 borders. This is button. This is button. Like that. We'll select other elements also. Now we'll select button. Now we'll select cell. Cell question mark is there. No?
Yeah.
Checkbox will see.
Yes.
This is for checkbox. Okay, yes. Big box will be like this. Big box. Filtering means we filtering only particular type of object,
Particular.
particular type of item we want means we'll see by filter.
Okay.
Now we have seen button and checkbox. This
Both
time
will
we'll see combo box.
Okay.
Or else instead of that, I will take filter. I can select like this and okay, this is better. Filter. Select all combo box. How the combo box work we'll see now. Like this. If it is saying like arrow mark below to arrows means length means it is called drop down list or combo drop down list.
Okay.
Because these are important to identify in the real time. This is the combo box. On drop down button. Drop down or combo box. Where you'll find list of items to be selected in the combo box. We'll get list now like this select all like this is a combo box like this it's coming now. Number of list. Next is container. We'll see container. Are there any containers? Yes. This is the container. This is important one. Usually this container have multiple properties. Dotted square bracket is there, no? This represents the container. In real time. Container like and div and div. Our whatever we have scanned that is also span only. This container.
Okay.
The one we scanned this is also same container. You can see here generic GUI is there. What is generic GUI also? H2. This is generic GUI question mark.
Okay.
These are the different types of elements in the application in the web page.
Okay.
So we have to identify what is what in while scanning.
Okay.
This is this is what generic chair.
General.
Means what? Image, label, link, list item, table, text box. These are things are there. See image. If it is an image, how it will be shown. See here, image is there. This is image.
Okay.
Next label.
Okay.
See if it is in this shape, it is called label.
Okay.
Right. Clear representation will be there. Label. Right. Next will the link. Link symbol will come like this.
Yeah.
These are whatever I'm showing now. That those all are important.
Okay.
Next list item.
Main control text.
Hmm. This is list item. In this also list will be coming. Like we combo box is not drop down. Like that only. Here also list will become list item.
Okay.
List item. Usually for this list of items to be list. Next one is row. Usually row which means it will This table, tabular
Okay.
format is that it's this is row in the form of row shape. It is the
Okay.
next one is slider not required. Table, if you see table, it is in tabular form. Okay, you can easily find it. Tables
Okay.
close and form further.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Copy. This is table. Now the last one is text box. Yes, it is a text box. Sorry?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, text box will be like symbol A, something like that. It will be. Icons are smaller, that's why I'm enlarging and pasting it here. So
Okay.
that while practicing, it will be easy for you. This is the text box. Text box. Now, paste in the documents. Okay.
Okay.
That's about the filter. Now search means suppose you want to search
Directly
particular
we can search.
directly we can
Okay.
search. Suppose which one we
For
can
example,
search.
box
We
text or
can
anything,
select
right?
Amazon.in like that. Any names, search, we can find it out. Suppose the link like that. It's not available. Okay, whatever the things available, the button is, they will name the button. No? Suppose that named
Okay.
button will be shown here next.
Okay.
That is the help of this search.
Search.
See here, different buttons are there. No. Suppose if you practice for regularly, we'll know what type of what type of application names as represented that we can search here. Books, books, gift cards like that.
Okay.
These are the main things so far. These are
Okay.
not that much important.
Okay.
Okay, now let's get into the this thing. Actual. So we have scanned this one, no?
Yeah.
Scanned, and let me close this. Okay, we didn't scan properly. Whether it is unique or not, we don't know, right? Now we'll see that. Scan application. That is not unique, no? Till now.
Okay.
Oh, it's in the browser. Okay.
So,
Scan it. Keep this window side to side.
okay.
Our duty is to make the selected item as unique.
Okay.
Select. Now we'll see the properties. How we'll make unique. This is unique
Yeah.
only. This way. The selected item is unique. Okay.
I have one doubt here. It will we have to select manually or it will select automatically this one?
Selecting manually is better always.
Yeah. For example, we have selected one dash 16 items, right? So after
Mm.
selecting that, we are getting this identity by properties, right? So here,
Mm.
what we have to select? I'm not getting that
That's
exactly.
what that is what I'm showing now.
Okay. So which one value is it? That one we have to select or what?
Yeah, whatever particular value you want, that one we have to select. Suppose I want after entering the mobile Apple iPhone, I have to
Okay.
scan this thing.
Yeah.
So that's the reason I scan. Now select on this.
Okay.
Whether you
Okay.
have scanned the particular one or not, we can cross check.
Okay.
Go here.
Okay.
Actually, I'm trying for this one.
Yeah. 116 of over 60,000. That
Results
one.
of for iPhone. Now
Okay.
select this.
Okay.
Okay, and uncheck this. This is the technique.
Okay.
So this is our actual thing. I'm trying to scan, but I'm unable to figure it out here. Now I
Okay.
got it from expanding the filter item.
Okay.
Filter items.
In above only we will get this one.
Yeah. Now only it will come. If you
Okay.
select all filter item.
Okay.
Now we have to make it unique.
Select.
Is there any
Okay.
way? Because this is dynamically changing 1 to 16 for I'm searching Apple iPhone. Next I will
Yeah.
search Samsung. Then this
Okay.
value will be changed,
Yeah.
So this is not gonna work. So I'm unchecking this.
Okay.
I don't want this. I want only this.
Okay.
So yeah, here also in the text. No.
So
In
blank.
the text is
Besides, not it is blank.
something.
So where am?
No, not blank. There is some value, but it's of no use.
Okay.
Now what? Now what we have to do? We'll try to make unique.
Okay. Make.
Automated way, manual way we have seen. Now if you say if you select make unique, what other things are coming? Let's check.
Okay.
Make unique. To select make unique, it will select a particular property that we have to see which property it is selected. It will take time because it has to take from backend. No?
Yes.
application. Now scan. Once it is scanned, why it is taking time? Okay,
Okay.
now I'm selecting manual. Now if you see here, searching in this is difficult because a lot of things are there.
Yes.
So if you are clear that I want to scan this only, then select on screen, scan on this. Hover. If you hover, you will find like this 1 or to 16 of over 60,000 results.
Okay.
Select on this. Once you have selected, now I want Apple iPhone also should come. Now for that I have to deep filtering.
Okay.
It's not coming up. Why it is not coming means
What?
it didn't came no.
Yeah.
Select on this. Select on this and expand. Now it will come. Okay.
Okay.
See our select. I have to
That's it.
select on this and expand the filter.
Okay.
Now this is what I want. Select on this.
Okay.
Uncheck this. I don't want anymore. I want only this to be come. So
Okay.
it is not deep unique.
Okay.
So now what we have to do? We have to select this and I'm trying to make unique. Now it got unique. See, on which basis it taken unique means with the help of class name it has taken.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
because class name is static, no? Class name is static.
Okay.
So class name got selected. Inner text, if you see inner text, I'm unchecking the inner text. I don't want inner text.
Okay.
If you see here default name here, default name also we cannot select. So it's better to select the class name. Sometimes if class name also not working, then we'll use by identify by parent property.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So now anyway it got unique. Now save this. Save this. Oops. Now what we have to do? We have to verify the expected and actual. What is the expected value and what is the actual value? That we'll see. Just add this test case to add this model to the test case folder. Check out this time I'll create test case, new test case. C003 module test adding. Okay, now I got this div. But the thing is, there is a problem. Where to identify the header? I'll show what is the race connector.
Rescan में again tool scan everything
The same
without
element we
system
can rescan.
procedure.
That I will, and coming class I will explain
Okay.
what about rescan and how it when
Oh,
it is useful.
okay.
Rescan, okay. Coding structure. Where is our you're not able to find, you have to back normal. Select this. Expand. Now we'll see. For which one it is point, what is the parent for this one. This is the parent of no, this is only parent. Okay, fine, no worries. This is the only parent.
Okay.
What if I select this one? Header 2, H2. What if I select this one and if you highlight what it is, that one will be resulted. Okay, that is shown here. I highlight selection, it will show which button is interlinked.
Okay.
So this is the button. Now I'm going to this properties. H2 is by default it is taking tag name. Okay.
Okay.
What is the default name for this default name? Outer text. Visible inner text. What is the inner text for this? Okay, this is the inner text. We cannot take the inner text as of now, but we'll do. Cancel. Click on save. Close. Now what I have done, I have taken with parent and child property.
Okay.
Parent and child relation I have taken. Okay.
Okay.
I don't want this. Delete. Erase scan. Okay. Let's stay there. Now we run this.
Instead of that, you have selected H2. This one.
H2 only will be selecting because we are done with scan.
Yeah.
That is the reason it will direct H2 only. I mean, it will, yeah, it will reflect here automatically.
Okay.
So, action mode verify. I'll explain different action modes. Now verification is our duty is to verify as a tester.
Okay.
And next
Good.
we'll see this scenario.
Okay.
I think it will select for other browser. 1 second. Because I have to check the browser.
Yes.
Let me add the browser. My default browser is actually Firefox in this machine,
Okay.
so that will create a problem. Hmm. Now we'll see modules to what is title here. Sounds important. Title name also should be monster. Yeah, run in the discuss. Most it will fail. Why? Because I apply form it will not come. Yeah, it got failed as expected. But why it is failing? I have to find the root cause.
Okay.
Oh yeah, find this more than uncontrolled quantum.
What's the
H2 reaction H2. More than one control is in me. More than one control means yeah, H2 will be many. There will be many H2s.
Okay.
Centric GUI. Okay. Actually, the thing is, it will get unlinked. Maybe it will be unmapped.
Okay.
See that? Yeah, as expected, it got unmapped. Yeah, unmapped controls.
Okay. Me? Unmapped control means?
Means like only what that particular type of run only it will work. Next time if you run means it will unmap
Okay.
because it's not identical. It will think like that.
Okay.
Man. Now we have to select which one, which is table one. We'll select table one is here, which is table one.
The number of
Type
the
on string, parent and child. No, we'll select the Amazon is table. Amazon is not taking. Mhm. Yeah, mobiles might be stable. Yeah,
Yeah.
select this mobile. Oh, the select item is unique. The self-redeem is not unique. Which one is unique? Lies coming. Okay. Any other thing?
Right.
We'll take this shadow. Okay. Think cartoon. We'll take the category. Read it unique. Yeah, that is unique. We'll see now. This time let me say this.
Okay.
Verification, if it comes means then half part of the job is done.
Hmm.
Verification is unsuccessful also fine. No default, but you read through. What all things we can make it unique? Price, I think price will be there now. Take price.
Okay. Hmm.
I know the sessions take too long,
Okay, fine.
but the challenges will be like this on in real time also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Even how much experience also, it's like an ocean, Tosca. Any other
Yeah.
work is ocean only.
Yeah.
New challenges, new learn each and every day.
Yes.
Still, our module is not this one. Something it got scanned.
Mm.
Try with parent and child better.
Okay, okay.
Concepts are clear now. So we are working on the scenario.
Okay.
Select on screen. Select on screen. Yes. Expand the filter number. Filter number. Expand it. This is parent is next to this select item is not unique. Next is not unique. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe this is unique. This is also not unique. Okay.
Where it is
Okay.
showing this unique or not? Where it is showing this unique or not? Like after
This is not
selecting
here. The select
below.
item is not unique.
Okay, okay.
Below.
Yeah, yeah. Below.
Hmm. I will try with parent and child now this time. Identify anchor. Select on screen. Select this time. Press. Is this unique? Yeah. This is, I think it works. You didn't get no? I did with the anchor method.
Okay, anchor method it is taking. Below
Yes. If
selected
you want,
item is unique. Yeah.
I will show you one more time. Remove anchor.
Okay.
Just select on screen. You highlight
Okay.
and select this thing.
Right.
Price.
Okay.
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 Again, select on screen.
Okay.
That is one way. Another one method is you can select from here also. It's better. Select on screen is the better one.
Okay.
Now it got selected.
Okay.
Next save, and we have to see any other technical properties we can take.
Okay.
Inner text is not useful. Okay, so we'll take something. This one. It is okay. circular one, and an anchor is and anchor on screen is set on screen. It's not working. Remove anchor. Select this. Select on screen. Inner text not required. Go to default name. Select the default name. Select not. Then insert the class name. And the selected item is unique now this time because we have taken the class name. Okay, now let me save this. I'm taking this module because it got unlinked now.
Okay.
That's this module. This case module. Go here. I'm sorry. Right here. Let me place this stuff in this case.
Giving name is mandatory. That's Amazon Star.
Hmm?
You have given name right, Amazon Star.
Hmm.
That is mandatory.
Yeah, that is mandatory because this fields will change now if you go into the next page.
Okay.
So that is the reason I have made this field. Star means dynamically added. So here I'm giving inner text equals to Apple iPhone. Apple iPhone and action models verify. Now let me run this. Yeah, I'm looking for this. Expected value is Apple iPhone, but actual value is something different.
Okay.
And what we'll do, we'll just copy the actual value.
Okay.
We'll copy the actual value and go to here.
Okay.
I'll paste it here.
Okay. So
Now we'll see.
again you have to run.
Again, I have to run.
Okay.
The problem is we have not taken the proper appropriate field.
Okay.
That is the reason this error got.
Okay.
While scanning, that the particular thing which we need, that we
Yeah.
have to take, and we have to make it the device better than header.
Question.
Verification has failed, even though we gave the same value. Both are same.
Here, three entries, comma there. Below one.
Single double comma is there. Okay, we'll go single one. Okay, now we'll see.
Okay.
Let's save this. Let's transfer.
Okay.
Okay, the why, because the thing is will what happens? Why? Because the spaces and all will be there, no?
Yeah.
Because of that only the problem is. If you see here in the modules, you can see here if where is our
Title.
this one default name also
Default. Yes. Yes. Four entries, comma there.
four are there.
Yeah.
So at that time there is one trick. What is the trick? Just I'm copying this
Okay.
and pasting. Sorry. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We'll make this into dynamic buffer.
Dynamic.
Buffer. I will name it to Apple iPhone. I will run this. And again I will place this to Apple. First I have to run. It's failing.
Present.
It is buffer got created.
Yes.
Expression okay, we'll find. Apple iPhone. Text equal to Apple iPhone. Here I have done make it buffer.
Buffer means?
Buffer means it will store some value. I will tell you when buffer's concept will come.
Okay.
Yeah. Why I have taken buffer now for verification? There will be spaces. We don't know.
Okay.
We cannot. Sometimes we miss those things.
Yes, sir.
Buffer with Apple iPhone got created. See here, spaces are there.
Yeah.
In order to avoid these spaces, I have taken buffer because it will store now. The stored value will be stored here in this value.
Okay.
Stored value verified with the actual value.
Okay.
This where Apple iPhone got saved here. This value saved into Apple iPhone buffer.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
You'll get clear when when the buffers concept will come, that time I'll explain in detail.
Okay.
Not discuss what past.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Check in on update all. Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Okay.
No doubts, right?
Yeah. No worries. As of
We
now.
practice today and we'll see tomorrow. Are you facing
Okay.
any
Okay.
challenges or
Okay. Okay.
not? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.